Do you know Uber made a whopping $17.4 billion revenue in 2021? On the other hand, its competitor Lyft generated $3.2 billion revenue. These multi-billion dollar companies have created a hype with their taxi apps ever since their launch. Their success is evidence of the popularity of the on-demand taxi booking industry. As the world goes digital, stepping into this industry seems like the right thing to do. But how do you create a robust and profitable taxi booking app? Let's break it down. You've got an idea to develop a cab booking app? Great. Now the first thing you need to do is understand the market situation. You need to carefully research the market to understand who your competitors are and what are their positives and negatives. This research would help you determine what you need to work on in your app. For example, if we talk about features, Uber regularly comes up with new and innovative features in its app. One of its recent features is ride booking via WhatsApp. It also plans to launch driverless cars in the future. That's yet another significant improvement. You'll find these details only when you closely analyze the market. Some other advanced features that you can include in your app are auto dispatch software, zone pricing, smartwatch access, and phone number masking. Loyalty programs, bill splitting, and multilingual support can also take your app to the next level. Once you research the market and outline the features, you need to go ahead with app designing. The UI/UX design determines how the users will interact with an app. You can take inspiration from Lyft's three main design principles. First, nail the basics. You not only need to have a strong grasp of basic design principles but also implement them in a way that users understand your app's processes and patterns. Second, build confidence. You need to make design choices that are consistent, transparent, and help build a relationship between your users and your brand. Lastly, be unique. You must go ahead with design ideas that are practical, visually impressive, and delightful. Once the app design is in place, you need to find app developers for your project and get started with the development process. As someone just starting out in the taxi app industry, it is natural to make a few mistakes like creating poor navigation, overstuffing unnecessary features, complicating the content, etc. Here, an experienced app development team can be your savior. With their expertise in the app development space, they'll be able to provide you with the best solutions to your problems. As a result, you'll be able to get a taxi booking app that fulfills your goals and meets your requirements. Once developed, your app will go through multiple rounds of testing, post which it will be launched on the respective app stores. Now there are more than 2 million apps on the Google Play Store and more than 4 million apps on the Apple App Store. This high number makes it very difficult to rank in the search results. Thus, you need a good App Store optimization strategy. Post-launch, you need to constantly monitor your app and resolve any bugs or issues that come up. Taxi booking app development is a lengthy and complex process, but it is worth giving a shot. Why do we say so? Because the online taxi services market is expected to grow from $31.03 billion in 2021 to $53.48 billion in 2026. This growing sector is waiting for you. Get started with taxi booking app development.